Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Football first up, and Jamaica suffered their second straight defeat at the CONCACAF Girls Under-15 Championship in Florida this morning. It was another huge defeat for the young Jamaicans as they lost 11-0 to the USA. Now, they had lost 5-0 to Canada in their opening match on Monday. Here are some highlights of this morning's match.
Adding a third for the U.S. outside of the right boot finish. This all coming in the first half. Then Scott, what a goal this was. Maybe the best of the bunch. Scott curling it in off the throw-in to make it 4. Then Puerta nearly getting fouled in the penalty area. And then Balak finishing it off for her second. Nearly a mirror image, that goal in her second half strike. Then Puerta, clean finish there. Held by Zorn in goal. Then this counter-attacking run from Helfrich. And this is how Abby Balak got her hat-trick. Great finish there. Puerta to Pfeiffer. Great passing there. Fuller would get her goal earlier in the second half. Then Fuller would find Pfeiffer. And Pfeiffer would finish those goal-scoring opportunities that were converted. Then this great ball through. Pfeiffer would add another. And then Balak would cap off her great day, scoring her 4th. The U.S. won it by 11-0.
Well, from Florida to Cali, Colombia now, where Dejanay Oakley and Ricky and Russell secured semifinal spots in the women's 400 meters at the World Under-20 Championships. Oakley clocked 53.70 seconds to advance, while Russell made progress with 54.63. And the boys' equivalent, Delano Kennedy, clocked a personal best 46.24 to book his semi-final spot, while Shamar Yuta produced 46.66 to also advance. In the boys' high jump, Brandon Pottinger left 2.08 meters to make progress to the final. And that was the morning session. So in the afternoon session, Deshaun Lamb and Mario Prince will contest the semis of the men's 110-meter hurdles at 3:10 p.m. And Sondre Davison goes in the semifinals of the men's 100 meters at 3:48, while Boajian Kumi runs at 3:56 in his semifinal. And Jamaica will contest the final of the mixed 4x400 meter relay, and that starts at 4:40 p.m. Now, Olympic champion Elaine Thompson-Herro is among the Jamaican athletes to secure their spots into the next round of their respective events as the track and field action got underway at the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham, England today. Thompson-Herro eased to 10.99 seconds, the joint fastest time to win her heat and secure her spot into Wednesday's semifinals. Natalia White 11.31 and Ramona Birch at 11.24 also booked their semifinal spots. In the men's equivalent, Kemar Bailey Cole was the fastest Jamaican qualifier with a 10.15, and he's joined by Conroy Jones, who also booked his spot into the semifinals with this afternoon's semifinals with 10.28. Nigel Ellis failed to advance after clocking 10.41 for third in his heat. Natoya Gould, a minute 58.39 seconds, was the fastest qualifier into the semifinals of the women's 800 meters. Now, the heats of the men's 400-meter hurdles and 110-meter hurdles will be contested this afternoon. Meanwhile, in the field, national record holder Daniel Thomas Dodd was the top qualifier for the final of the women's shot put with 18.42 meters. Compatriot Lordrika Cameron also advanced with 16.61 meters. Travis Michael was also the top qualifier for the final of the men's discus with 64.90 meters, and he's joined by compatriot Rajay Stoner with 58.35 meters. And Deshaun D. Thompson secured his place in the final of the men's long jump with 7.85 meters. And in netball, the Sunshine Girls, well, they remained unbeaten after beating Scotland 78-34. Captain Janelle Fowler led the way with 37 goals from 37 attempts, while Shimona Nelson scored 33 goals from 35 attempts. And that is it for your lunchtime sports report, and I am Jermaine Brown. Kalisha, back to you.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Kalisha Williams. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.